What a day. What a day. The Dow is up 735 points. Damn. That's just juicy. S&P 500 up 80 points. NASDAQ up 264 points. Global Dow up 64 points. What? Yeah, Green Growth Brands. Who brought you Green Growth Brands? Who brought you everything first? Come on, man. Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump, yes. Yes. Mr. Trump boosting up the economy. We are green. The Dow Jones is deep green. 3.31%. Wow. Wow. The more they hate, the higher we gonna elevate. That's just the way it goes, man. It's just the way it goes. Yo, if you got some pics you want me to look at, let me know now, man. Let me know now. We got 53 minutes left in the week, in a very, very green week. Of course the Fed's gonna pump the markets up. They buy low, sell high. Buy red, sell green. Sounds familiar, right? Man, there's a lot of winners. Lot of winners. Lots and lots and lots of winners. So we might as well just go through them. Yo, what's up? What's going on? What's up? What are you guys watching? Look at all the winners. That's a lot of green. Saniva having a monster day. Green Growth Brands going higher. There was a guy that brought you Green Growth Brands first. I wonder who that would have been. Do I think the Bears are strong? I think the Bears... I mean, the markets are going to go where the markets are going to go. You guys have to really understand that. At the end of the day, the markets are going to go where the markets are going to go. Nobody can control the markets, right? Bears are as strong as the trend. That's really what it is. The Bears are only as strong as the trend. If the trend is down, the Bears are strong. If the trends are up, the Bears are weak. So you got to learn to go with the trend, right? So when everything was down, I kept saying it's a buying opportunity. We even created a song about it, talking about the cannabis stock resurrection, because I predicted with Ill Kid that they would bounce back. And right now, as you could see, so far in 2019, they have bounced back. The Dow Jones had a bad day yesterday. Today it bounced back bigger than the losses it had yesterday. So the market is highly volatile. You're not going to say yesterday was a bear market and today's a bull market. I mean, that's not the way it works. So it's all about sentiment and momentum. And right now, there's a lot of momentum to start 2019. People are very optimistic to start 2019. Everything is getting very heavily pumped. Things are getting pumped, right? And the Fed is most likely pumping up the Dow Jones Industrial Average, because there's days where it goes down and then there's days where it goes up. Government shutdown. The government's not going to shut down, man. Nothing's shutting down. Tactics. These are tactics. Come on, guys. We know these are just tactics. Just tactics. That's all it is. Tactics. For everybody to get what they want in their agenda. Tactics. Lots and lots of tactics. Everybody has an agenda. Everybody knows what they want. And they're going to try to get what they want. Wow. Acreage Holdings. Wow, wow, wow. Unbelievable. Acreage Holdings. It was at $12. It's now at $22. It was at $12 like not too long ago. That was the time to buy Acreage Holdings. My goodness. Now at $22, would I chase this bad boy? No. No. But when it was at $12, this was juicy. This was juicy right there. Right there. December 20th, $12.80. That was the time to buy Acreage Holdings. Unbelievable. Cannabis versus Bitcoin. Yeah, I think cryptocurrency is revolutionary, and so is cannabis. So I think that's a very good comparison. I don't think one is better than the other. I think both are equally powerful, and both will equally change the future and the present as it is, and the past, clearly, because they're changing the way that the world does everything, right? Cannabis, all of a sudden, a few years ago, even a year ago, it was illegal to be investing in cannabis. Now you're an investor, right? We're investors now. If you happen to be investing in cannabis in the past, in Canada, it would have been illegal. You weren't able to do that. Now you're considered an investor. So, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is, the biggest companies, some of the biggest companies in the world. So when that's up 700 points, that there's a lot of momentum. Now, is this a bull run? A bull run today? Yes. Is it a bull market all of a sudden and then yesterday was a bear market? No, that's ridiculous. It's not how you look at a chart. Let's look at this chart for the year. Let's look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average for the year. What did it do? It's just coming from a bottom. I mean, nothing short of that. Coming from a bottom. It's interesting. Even the cannabis stocks, they all seem to show the same thing. December 24th seemed to be the bottom. The 21st to the 24th seemed to be the bottom. At that time, the Dow Jones was at 21,792. Currently now at 23,416. And the highest ever was on October 3rd. It was at 26,828. So someone might ask, why did it come back up here? This is just a dead cat bounce. This is what we call a dead cat bounce. This is coming from the bottom. It's coming from the bottom. It's a dead cat bounce. That's all this is. So it's not specifically, I don't think, news driven. Yeah, there might be some news that's pumping this. Maybe the Fed just thinks it's a good buying opportunity. at the end of the day, this is being driven by the powers that be, right? Why is gold very strong in bear territory? Because gold is considered the safe haven. But if you look at the chart of gold, it's nothing special. Doesn't show any strength, really. Nothing significant. Yes, I was watching them. They did very, very well. There's a lot of stocks that did very well today. Been watching everything. Watching the entire market all day. Lots of green. Lots of green. Everywhere. Lots of green everywhere. In fact, pretty sure I had a song for this. Like Cannabis Resurrection. Kind of goes like this.
Cannabis stocks and CEO interviews brought to you by Rich TV Live.
Buy in the red. This is where I do my shopping, is in the red. But invest in the best companies that are in the red.
Put lawsuits on these companies. Meanwhile, what they're trying to do is create a distraction, so we don't take it.
Some of the companies that were heavy green yesterday are red today.
That's really what's going on. That's the truth.
But even the red is slight. Like this is all like 3-4%. This is nothing significant. Tilray under $70. Strong sell, strong sell, strong sell, strong sell. Which way do you guys think Tilray is going? I don't know, man. I don't buy the whole philosophy on gold. I think gold stocks, yes. I think gold stocks, yes, there's potential there, but I don't buy the whole philosophy on gold because for the last 10 years, if you look at the markets, gold hasn't performed that well. So I don't know. I don't see what all the excitement is about gold personally. Yes, Tilray is very overhyped. Very overhyped. AMD is one of the leaders today. Up big. Tilray looks like a short to me. I just don't see the movements in gold. Like, where's the movements in gold? All the gold nuts out there. Where's the movements in gold? Like, seriously, where's the spread? What spread are you making? You know? I don't see no spreads being made. You know, like, I want to see a spread made. I want to see the spread made, man. Where's the spread made? RBOS. Guys, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education, entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live, okay? I'm showing you guys all the tools that I use every day, absolutely free, so that you guys can learn to use these tools too. They're going to show you power. They're going to show you momentum. They're going to show you the amount of shares a company has. This is OTC markets. This is where I go to look for companies, okay? So you want me to give you some information on RBOS. RBOS. Let me give you guys some info on RBOS. Down 37%. I mean, volume 5,000 shares. I don't know why you want me to look at RBOS, man. What is this? I want to makes me laugh. 5,000 shares? RBOS? Maybe this is the wrong RBOS, I don't know. This one has 75 million shares. Wow, the Dow Jones still up 730 points. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Literally just watching this. So now they're talking about panic-style buying. You see this title? Dow jumps 700 points as panic-style buying takes hold in U.S. stock market. Oh my goodness. Panic selling followed by panic buying. This is hilarious. Hilarious. A more than 700-point gain in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, 3.13% up, and a surge in the Nasdaq Composite Index, COMP, up 4%, midday Friday, has resulted in the equity market seeing panic-like buying. Panic-like buying. Are you serious? Like, do these people really believe what they're writing? Panic like buying. Oh my goodness. This makes me laugh. The move comes on the back of dovish comments from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell during a panel discussion with his predecessors in Atlanta. The ARMS index, a volume-weighted measure of breadth, tends to decline below 1.000 on broader market rallies as volume in advancing shares tends to increase disproportionately to volume in declining shares. When the ARMS falls below 0.500, many consider a sign of panic buying. Panic buying. Interesting. I've never heard of this before. The Dow was up 823 points at 23,515 in midday trade. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 index, SPX, was up 3.17%, rose as high as 3.7% at 2,538, while the Nasdaq was climbing 4.5% at 6,754. Those gains saw the New York Stock Exchange ARMS hit 0.498, while the Nasdaq ARMS is at 0.618. The number of advancing stocks outnumbered decliners by a ratio of about 9-1. Wow. You guys notice? Did you see that? 9-1 ratio of decliners versus advancers. That is epic. That is epic. Wow. With volume in advancing stocks was about 95% of total volume on the New York Stock Exchange. You think that's coordinated? Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said Friday he's flexible about future monetary policy moves, proving some comfort to investors that have grown anxious about the rate hike path of the central banks as signs of slack in the global economy appeared to mount. A moderated discussion at the American Economics Association meeting in Atlanta, Powell said, "We will be patient as we watch to see how the economy evolves. Markets were already on an upswing after an official read of employment showed that a better than expected 312,000 jobs were created in December. Wow. That's big. NGW? I'll pull up NGW. Let's see. NGW. NGW. You request NGW, you will get NGW. Let's pull up NGW. Panic like buying. Panic like buying. I have a song for that, don't I? I have a song for that. Panic like buying. Ooh, the Dow is under 700. Now it's 692. It's a war zone in the last hour. 34 minutes to the closing bell. Will we finish up 700 points on the Dow Jones? Thought I had a song for this. Panic like buying. I wouldn't panic buy. Just saying. I wouldn't do it.
It's time that we get popping now. I ain't never stopping now. You would think I'm floating in the open way. I cop a cloud. You should even shop around. You should buy a pair of boots. Hate it, it's my son.
Wow, wow, wow. Next green wave. Wow. Thank you for this pick. Panic like buying. Next green wave is making a move. My goodness. This was the time to buy. 32 cents 2 days ago. That's a move. Now that is a move. This has been crazy in the last month. It's been even higher. Look at this. Been as high as 62 cents in November. See how the indicators were shooting down and now they've turned? How the indicators have all turned? That's indication of power and momentum. See how the indicators are pointing up? That's the big mo right there. That's the big mo. LBUI. 32 minutes until the closing bell. LBUI up 10%. Let's look at the 1 month chart. Yeah, man. Yeah. Some power, definitely. See all the indicators shooting right up here? That's a lot of momentum. That's a lot of momentum. That's the big mo right there. Yeah, that's the big mo right there. SCM up 107%. What? CSM, sorry.
The only plug-in hybrid built with Toyota quality. With a very short charging time.
CSM. Clearstream? Wow. Good one, Serge. Good one, man. I like this. 100%. Clearstream Energy Services. What's the volume like? Ooh, the Dow's falling. 685 points. Still up massive.
She a funny gal, but don't mistake it, cause she taking all the money, pal. When the drink done, she tell him hurry mo. And when the food gone, she tell him curry go. She don't want the chicken, unless the chicken jerk. She picked a perfect on the bread, she trying to bring a verse. But I need you, I want you, can I have you? That's what I'm saying every day that I'm playing it.
This is TSX. Website tmx.com. This is where I'll find the share structure on CSM. This is how I research companies, guys. Wow, 11 million shares in volume. Wow. That's impressive. I like that. Sneak attack, eh? Up 114%. Oh. Wow. 109 million shares issued and outstanding. That's not that bad. That's actually pretty tight for a 7-cent stock. So yeah, with that volume, it's gonna blow. Let's look at his chart for the last year. Ooh yeah, so it's been higher, came all the way down, hit a bottom, and now it's making its move. You can see that right there. Very obvious. Bam! Big move. Big move. No, man, I got high-speed internet, bro. I got high-speed internet, man. It ain't me, man. It's not me. I don't know why the stream does that. Live does that. It's live streaming. It's not... Live streaming hasn't been perfected yet. Trust me. Live streaming has not been perfected yet. It's not me, man. I don't know why it's saying my stream health is not strong. Yeah, well, bar chart is not 100%. Bar chart is not 100%. Oh, back to 724 points. See that? Oh, it was under 700. All right, boys. Flip the switch. Pop that shit up. Pop that shit up. Yo, what's up? Oliver Custom Interiors, what's up, yo? I'm getting the kids, man. Getting my kids. You tried to email me, but it didn't work? richtvlive@gmail.com. Just email me, man. I'm like one of the easiest YouTubers you'll ever be able to get in contact with. I promise you that. I'm the YouTuber for the people, man. Ooh, maybe FSD has some big news. That's probably why they're halted. You want to see though how they're halted? Let's see. Let me mark this one here. Someone gave me FLKS earlier today. It's still up big, 46%. Let's take a look at Apple. Oh. So Apple had this massive drop. Yesterday. From 157 all the way down to 141-ish, 142. And today it's bounced back up 3.65%. And I was asked yesterday on my stream, will they come back up? Should I buy the dip? And I said yes, and it's up. Now, guys, I'm not licensed. Don't buy something just because I said. I'm just giving you my opinion. When things go down, I want to buy. And when they go up, I want to sell. That's just the way I think. I already told you that we were going to finish up 700 points today. It went down under 700. Now it's back up over 700. Why do you think I'm so confident that it's going to go up over 700? You know there's a reason, right? What do you think the reason is? There's a reason. There's a reason. It's not just luck, eh? It's not just luck. You guys think it's just luck? It's not just luck, I promise you. There's a reason why I just feel like it's going to finish up over 700 points today. Even though there's 23 minutes left, it might finish under, but I just have this feeling in my gut it's going to finish over 700. Because of panic-style buying. Because of all the panic-style buying that's happening. Can you guys hear it? $717. Oh, I'm being tested. 713. The shorters are coming out. They're testing me. They're testing me. $709. Here we go. Will it stay over 700? 710 is a war zone. 713. We gonna finish over 700 today? PVHO. Penny stock at 175, up 25%. Very nice. I like stocks that are up with volume. Find me stocks that are up today with volume. Those are the ones that we want to buy, guys. And we want to buy down here. This is where we got to learn to buy. Buy at the bottom. 52-week lows. Buy. 52-week highs, sell. 52-week lows, buy. 52-week highs, sell. PREV, let's take a look. I made money on PREV earlier this year. The bottom is 3 cents. Just recently came from the bottom again, which was 3-4 cents. That's where I would feel comfortable buying it. Anything other than that, I wouldn't feel comfortable buying it. And right now it's at 6.5 cents. It's been higher, obviously, on a promo. As high as 13 cents. So that's kind of what I think, guys. I think you want to buy it at the bottom, right? Wow, 300% yesterday, 100% today for CSM. It's crazy. Wow, so this is the 5-day chart. So Clearstream has come from 1 cent to 7 cents. Wow, amazing. In 2 days. In 2 days. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. Unbelievable. These are the types of plays that could change your life. One stock like this, 400% in 2 days. That stuff is nice, man. That's nice. Nice. I like seeing all the green. Dow up, Google up, S&P 500 up. Gold is even up right now. Tesla's up. General Electric's up, Facebook's up 4%, Microsoft's up 4%. I love that, man. Wow, NGW is going higher. Woo! It's up 50%, yo. My goodness. It is on fire. It is on fire. Yo, what's up, man? We're just going to the close, man. We're going to the close. We're looking at picks, dropping hits, going into the close. The Dow is up 707 points. Will it finish up over 700? What do you guys think? There is panic buying happening right now. Panic style buying. Weekend money, baby. Let's go. Let's get that weekend money. We are green in the cannabis sector with 15 minutes left in the first week of 2019. Woo. You know I'm excited. We are green. What a week. What a glorious week for cannabis stocks. We are up 721 points on the Dow, 80 points on the S&P 500. 264 points on the NASDAQ. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. 64 points on the global Dow. Oil at $48.17. Oil might be the play of 2019. Gold is down 8.2 points. 735 points for the Dow. 730 now for the Dow. It's a war zone. No, I do not have NGW. Will we finish over 700? We have 15 minutes left. $726 points. Yeah, NGW looks huge today. I think they look huge today. CGOC. CGOC. Looks good, up 12%. It's a nice move. From 77 cents on December 27th to $1.10. Yeah, man. CGOC looks good. Cannabis growth up. I like it. I like it a lot. CGOC. CGOC. From the Rich TV Live family to you, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Peace. Cannabis stocks and CEO interviews brought to you by Rich TV Live. On his companies. Meanwhile, what they're trying to do is create a distraction so we don't take advantage of the cannabis stock resurrection. 751. The Dow Jones is up. Did I predict it was going to stay over 700? I told you guys. I predicted it would stay over 700. Why? Why do I know this? You guys have been watching. You guys been watching. I predicted to stay over 700. How did I know? How do I know? How do I know this? Cannabis for you and me and all the nations. So all my brothers and all my sisters, go on and light it up. Go on and take it to the head when the times are tough. Wow, NGW is on fire. Up 52%. Wow. CGOC, eh? Bay Street Greens. Is that what you're saying? Alright, man. Well, I added them to my watch list. Let's take a look at Aurora Cannabis. Oh, it's green. 1%, just slightly. There's a nice little dip there. I'm telling you guys, man, when you look at this chart in Aurora Cannabis, it is at the bottom. Look, you can see it. It's at the bottom. It's at the bottom, look. See this? It's at the bottom. I'm telling you guys, remember this day. Aurora Cannabis will double from these prices in 2019. It might not stay there, but it will get there. Mark my words, Aurora Cannabis will rise. You heard it here. Afria will rise. You heard it here. T-God will rise. I'm telling you. Don't say you didn't hear it here first, okay? Remember we heard it first. First. Not second, not third, not 10th, not 100th. First. It's true. It's true. It's very true. We just turn haters into subscribers here, man. That's all we do. Turn haters into subscribers. Subscribers into stars. That's what we do. I think Tilray's a short, man. I think Tilray's a short. That's what I think about Tilray right now. Sound. Look at me now. We got 8 minutes. Will the Dow finish over 700? Look at this. See all the momentum down? Scary stuff, man. Like, these guys were way too high. It's just going to get ugly. It's going to go right down. It's going right down. I would not buy this. Look at the chart. Scary stuff. 734 points. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up 732 points. What kind of leather jacket? This is from Danny Leather. This is Danny Leather. What platform is this? This is MarketWatch. And this right here, this is investing. This is TradingView. You can find it all on richtvlive.com. Hover over stocks, and everything's right there. All my tools I use every day for free. News, I get all my news right here. Sports, I get all my sports right here. Cryptocurrency, I get all my cryptocurrency right here. You want to see my feature videos right here. Is Danny Leather public? If they were, their stock could be going up right now, right? That's funny. Sound. Look at me now. Oh, it's one of my favorite songs right here. We are going into the close. 5 minutes left. It's at 708. Will it stay above 700? Oh, 723. I can't. Sorry. But I wish I could. I wish I could, man. You know I'd be dropping Tiga if I could. But I don't want to get shut down for copyright infringement. That's not my music. So instead, we got our own music to take us to the close. Let's go, man. We're going into the close. Look at the Dow Jones go. I predicted it's going to stay over 700. Let's go. 741. 740. 743. 745. Haha. 749. 4 minutes left. $766. Let's go. How did your boy know? $3 minutes. We're going up. $740 points. The Dow Jones is up. My goodness.
The sell-off slamming the street again today is a
my goodness. Is this a resurrection? Is this a resurrection? Is this a resurrection? Was this predicted? Was this resurrection predicted? Oh, Tilray's even going up. Tilray broke 70. Look at that. Everything is climbing. The HMLSF Horizons Marijuana ETF. Look at this. Look at this, baby. Numbers don't lie, but people do, eh? It's at the bottom, too. Look at this. Look at this. I'm telling you guys, man. I predicted the resurrection. Remember, who predicted it? You know, the music stays alive forever. Remember who predicted this, eh? Two minutes left. NGW is on fire. Up 53%. Wow. The Dow Jones Industrial Average up 728 points. And we have 1 minute. Where will we finish? 749. Let's go. 754. Let's go. Power minute. 755. 736. Come on, man. Slap us down. 749. Woo, time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out. $7.41. We are done. Thank you, Stock Gods, for your daily bread. Oh, what a start to 2019. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you, Stock Gods, for my daily bread. Thank you, Stock Gods, for our daily bread. Thank you for giving us a glorious week. From my family to yours, have a wonderful 2019. Have a glorious weekend. I will be back. I promise you. I'm going to leave you with some music. But for now, your boy, I'm out. Peace. Spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. Wall Street loves cannabis stocks. Jordan Belfort believes in cannabis stocks. The new Wolf of Wall Street loves cannabis stocks. Rich TV Live loves and believes in cannabis stocks. The question is, do you believe in cannabis stocks, and will you achieve ultimate wealth through the cannabis stock revolution?